Are you frustrated with the number of homes you sell on an annual basis? Would you like to take more listings and earn more money? Hello, my name is Toublaris, and I'm an award-winning author, international speaker, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. The reason I created this channel is so that you can receive valuable and impactful real estate coaching tips so that you can generate more leads, grow your sales, and accomplish your most meaningful and important goals. I also create this channel for you to help you steer away from the biggest mistakes that real estate agents make so that you can avoid all the trial and error. One of the ways I help realtors like yourself to achieve these results is by breaking through the biggest mindset barriers that hold you back from achieving your fullest potential. The other way I help you is by sharing with you on what is to generate more leads, as well as knowing what to say with confidence so that you can book more appointments and get more contracts signed. Therefore, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel right now and follow me so that I can guide you in becoming a successful and productive real estate agent. After all, you deserve the very best that there is. I look forward to helping you grow, prosper, and succeed. So you can continue watching more of my content by clicking on my playlist right here. This is Toublaris, your real estate sales and mindset coach. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.